it's raining men. The sky's alive, a wild dance of hearts where the joy can thrive. I find myself lost in a bed of dreams, each one a whisper flowing like streams. In a world where raindrops dance and play, it's raining men in a bright wild way. Their laughter and joy, they fill my heart with light. In this storm of passion, everything feels right. A small one, a tall one, they all come near. With every heartbeat, I feel them here. Their smiles like sunshine, warm and bright, chasing away shadows, bringing pure delight. In a world where raindrops dance and play, it's raining men in a bright, wild way. Their laughter and joy, they fill my heart with light. In this storm of passion, everything feels right. But there's one bad boy with mischief in his grin. He pulls at my heart where the wild tides begin. He makes me dizzy like a whirlwind of fun. In this storm of affection, I know I am one. It's raining love in a symphony so grand. With every heartbeat, together we stand. In a world full of colors, they paint me anew. With laughter and kindness, with each drop of dew. In a world where raindrops dance and play, it's raining men in a bright, wild way. Their laughter and joy, they fill my heart with light. In this storm of passion, everything feels right. So let the clouds gather, let the thunder roll, for I dance in the rain, feeling perfectly whole. With each little heartbeat, my soul takes flight. In the arms of these men, everything feels right. Though the storm may be fierce and the winds may blow, I find my shelter where love's rivers flow. In this bed of men, I'm wrapped up so tight. Together we glow like stars in the night. In a world where raindrops dance and play,